All right, for the final time tonight here on Bauman Auto Group Night, everybody up on your feet. The wave lap for the round-pounding dirt truck. Show your appreciation for them coming out tonight. Here they come. Make some noise. What do you say, Attica Raceway Park?
American girls, American guys, we'll always stand up and salute. We'll always recognize when we see old glory flying. There's a lot of men dead, so we can sleep in peace at night when we lay down our heads.
Dustin Keegan leads the charge into 1 and 2. Corey McCoy, who picked up the win the last time the trucks ran here, runs in second. Dana Fireball Fry in third. Keith Sorg opened the season for the trucks with a win here in the 4 spot. Dustin Keegan glued to the bottom, but here comes Corey McCoy. McCoy runs off the rear deck lid of Keegan into 3 and 4. Dana Fry in third. 4 truck battle, and we got a yellow as Brian Sorg spins in turn number 2. Dustin Keegan looking for his first career dirt truck win here at Attica Raceway Park. Corey McCoy picked up the win the last time they were here. His first career win on the dirt. He has several wins on the asphalt. Great restart for Dustin Keegan. Three wide for that 5th position out of turn 2. Hang on. Debris on the racetrack, 4 laps in. Dustin Keegan leads 5 laps in. Seven to go. This time by for Dustin Keegan. by. 5 flanges will go in the air for Dustin Keegan. To go for Dustin Keegan, glued to the bottom of the racetrack, looking for his first career Attica Raceway Park dirt truck win. If he can hang on, every one of our winners this year in the dirt trucks are first timers. Flag will be in the air this time. Out of turn 4, here comes Corey McCoy with a big run. To the bumper of Dustin Keegan. Nose to tail, white flag. Dustin Keegan glued to the bottom of the racetrack. Here they come. Checkered flag. Oh no, a big puff of smoke out of the 17X of Dustin Keegan, but he hangs on in the win. She's a little warm. Here he is. What do you say? His first career Attica win, Dustin Keegan. It blew up. Something come through the hood. There's a big old wrinkle. There's a hole in the hood. Hey, it doesn't matter because you're here on the horse track. When did it start blowing up?
Coming for a white flag, I seen something go flying through the hood, and I just never looked at that.
Well, of course not. You only have one more lap to go, right?
Exactly. I never had a win here either, so this makes it great.
Until you take the hood off when you get home, right?
It's fixable.
It's fixable?
It's still running.
Okay. Some people you want to thank, Dustin.
Snaggers floor covering, and LST excavating, Green Creek Lawn Care, York Fabrication, my dad, Davey, Denny, Snag, my wife, my son, RJ Willie. There you go. That's the bonus, right?
You can go get another motor from the Bauman Hunter, huh?
There we go.
Take one out. They close and the parking lot's dark. You just go get one.
Exactly. I'll do that.
Dustin Keegan for the first time in Engine Pro Victory Lane. Congratulations.